In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import lead in Klaviyo. To begin, sign into your Klaviyo account and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Importing leads starts with having the right list ready, because a list is where your contacts will live and where you can later send campaigns or build automations. In the left side navigation, click Audience and then choose Lists and Segments. This is the area where Klaviyo organizes your contact groups. Lists are usually used for contacts you add intentionally, like leads from a form, event, or spreadsheet. Segments are more dynamic and update automatically based on rules, but for importing a set of leads from a file, you want a list. Next, click Create List/Segment and select List. You will be asked to name your new list. Name it Leads, then click Create List. Using a clear name like this helps you stay organized later, especially if you import multiple groups over time. After the list is created, you will be taken into the List's Details screen, where you can add contacts. Now you are ready to import your file. Click Upload from CSV. Before you select the file, it helps to make sure your CSV is clean. The most important column is the email column, and each row should represent one person. Try to remove blank rows and confirm that your email addresses look accurate to reduce errors during the import. Select your CSV file from your computer. Klaviyo will then prompt you to map fields, which means matching the columns in your spreadsheet to the right properties in Klaviyo. When you see the mapping options, map the email field correctly, and then click Next. This step matters because email is the key identifier for contact profiles. If it is mapped incorrectly, Klaviyo cannot import your leads the right way. Once you have confirmed the mapping and moved forward, click Import to start the upload. Depending on the size of your CSV, the import may take a moment. After it finishes, your leads will be added to the leads list and available for future marketing activity. That covers everything you need to know.